Hello guys. Now let's take a quick look at the Dow Jones Industrial Average chart. First of all, I would like to say what I see in the very long term. We are, yes, especially since 2008, we are still clearly in an uptrend. Where is my 200-day moving average? I can't see it that well. Who? Oh, yo. Oops. Well. Alright, let's go to the 1 year chart. That's fine. Alright, what do we see here? We can see that we are, first of all, above the 200-day moving average. That is bullish. It is always bullish to be above the 200-day moving average. Now let's take a look at the volume. The volume in the last week or in the last days was not very much. So this uptrend could run out of steam very soon. Also in the MACD, the bars are declining already a little bit, the size of the bars. That is also, like I often said, a sign of weakening, in this case, buying power. Bars went up and now they are declining again in size. In the MACD, as you can see, yes. Let's go back to the, yes. In the MACD, well, the MACD indicator, the only thing, yeah, the MACD indicator is mostly useful in very long time periods. Let's go to the 3 year chart, and there you see the MACD not that much overbought, but the RSI is rather overbought, and also the slow stochastic. The slow stochastic 97, almost 100, clearly overbought, and the RSI also in the red area, 80. Also, yes, in the 3 month chart, the RSI 5 is already 80. The slow stoch is overbought for a long time in the 3 months chart, still keeping up very well, but once it turns down, it could get down fast. The volume in the last days was not that great. And yeah, okay, there's also Thanksgiving, so I wouldn't be too concerned about that. Yeah, if I were long in this market, yeah, you can clearly see in the area of 18,800, as I already said. There was sideways activity, and that is a support area. If I were long this market, I would place my stop loss slightly below 18,800. Yes, and I would let it go, but I would certainly take some profits at this moment, because at the RSI there could develop a tiny negative divergence. Okay, in summary, the market is of course very bullish, above 200-day moving average, above the middle line of the Bollinger Bands, clearly uptrending. But what is not good, it is big overbought in RSI and slow stochastic. So the bars at the MACD are already getting smaller for a longer time. That is a sign of weakening buying power. So I would be careful. I wouldn't enter this market if I weren't in it already. And if you are in this market, it is now certainly not a bad time to take some profits, and the rest of your trading position, it's a good idea to place a stop loss slightly below 18,800 to lock in the gains. And yes, if a pullback occurs, the middle line of the Bollinger Bands, 18,600, would be a good entry point for new long positions. So if you wait for a pullback, try to buy around 18,600 again.